You already knew the truth, didn't you? That our whole city's actually inside a giant spaceship.
That's correct. The military's known for quite a while.
But
it's not the military that's been hiding all of this. Bahamut is the one who didn't want us to know.
yeah, Bahamut. What the hell is that thing?
A computer. One that's been secretly controlling everything the human race sees and hears since before we were born. It's manipulated us so skillfully that we'd never realize the truth, which is that the city we live in is actually part of a giant spaceship. All of this so that except for an elite few, the populace would be blissfully living in an illusion of the perfect world. Or rather, the perfect prison.
So everything else, the rest of the world exists only in the computer.
And the time we think we live in is 5 centuries past.
5 centuries?